In this video, I'm going to go over a very sheer, soft berry that's easy to achieve. For the lid, white sands. For the crease, beaches and cream. For the corner, doe eyes. And for the smoke, buried treasure. So I'm going to use my lid brush with white sands by applying this all the way across my lid in a tapping motion. If you have smaller eyelids, you are going to love this shade because look how it makes it pop. Then I move over to my crease brush with beaches and cream and apply that above the eyeball and under the brow bone, thinner on the inside and higher up towards the outside. Next step is doe eyes in the corner of my eye to add a little bit of closure and depth without being too dark to the outer 1/3 of my eyelid. Next, I line my eye with pitch black watercolor eyeliner, keeping it really nice and thin and close to my lash line, going above and below my upper lash line to hide the pink rim, making everything look super defined. Look at how much more awake my eyes look. Then to diffuse that line and add a little bit of color, I am doing buried treasure with my smoke brush right over the edge of my pitch black liner. After you apply the eyeshadow, always do a quick cleanup going up towards the end of your eyebrow, picking up any drop off and sharpening up the edge of your eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply my infinity length mascara, giving my lashes a long, luscious look and never looking clumpy and never smudging, which is a mucho importante for me. And there you have it. Super simple to achieve with a little hint of color, bringing out green and blue eyes.